All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Tonight, we're having dinner at Chili's right here in Houston, a place that started in Texas.
But the real question is it still worth it in 2026? Let's go check it out, guys.
Let's go. Before Chili's became a nationwide favorite, it started right here in Texas. Back in 1975, Larry Levine opened the first Chili's in Dallas. And believe it or not, it wasn't some big flashy restaurant. It was just a converted postal station with a simple idea: serve great burgers in a relaxed, full-service setting. That idea caught on fast. People loved the casual vibe, bold flavors, and affordable meals. By the early 1980s, Chili's had already expanded across Texas and beyond. Then came a major turning point. Chili's was acquired by Norman Brinker, a restaurant industry leader who helped scale the brand into national powerhouse. From that small Texas beginning to hundreds of locations across the country, Chili's has stayed true to its roots: big flavors, laid-back atmosphere, and that unmistakable Texas spirit. I think I want to try whiskey and Coke. So what you think? Jack and Coke?
You got Jack,
Makers. So let's do the one of these and two Makers and Coke.
Any appetizers or anything today?
You want appetizers?
The Southwest egg rolls.
Egg rolls. All right, guys. As soon as you walk in, you get that classic Chili's vibe: dim lights, a little bit of music for set the mood, boots, and the classic noise. Good. How you doing, man? Thank you. But it's classic Chili's vibes, so that part hasn't changed. But I'm still looking forward to seeing that the food is still hitting in 2026. We're gonna see. So far, I'm impressed. Go.
Smell-wise, I'm getting that fajita, burger, Tex-Mex smell. I'm so ready to try it.
So guys, we already ordered appetizers, and we'll put some space between the appetizers and our meal, but we ordered Southwest egg rolls, which typically is a staple for us when we do come to Chili's. But one thing I've noticed, I went to the restroom, and all the way from this table all the way to the restroom, the floors feel pretty slippery, so that might be one little ding. I don't know if the place overall is as clean as it should be, but we'll see how the food comes out.
Alright, so this is called the Peachy Dream. As you can see, you see the donuts down there? You know why the donuts are there? Because that's what this tastes like. There's a sugar rim, and you got that peachy, and then the lime hits you. It is so good. It's $6, guys. You gotta try it. You could even taste the tequila. It's so good.
A plate of rice and beans hit the table first, and instantly you could smell it. Warm, seasoned, comforting. It looked just as good as it smelled. But then, here it comes. You hear that sizzle before you even see it. Moments later, out comes a steaming hot skillet, popping, crackling, and sending up clouds of aromatic steam that you stop mid-conversation. Seasoned beef and chicken laid across a bed of sauteed vegetables. This is the kind of plate that turns heads. The beef, perfectly seared with that slight char on the edges, packed with flavor in every bite. The chicken, juicy, tender, and seasoned all the way through. And those corn tortillas, fresh, hot, and ready. Basically the perfect foundation to build your own bite of steak, veggies, and everything in between. From the first sizzle to the last bite, this meal delivered. We wrapped up the night the best way possible, just sitting back, talking, and soaking in every last bite. That's got some good flavor. Yeah. Yep. All right, guys. So, final thoughts on Chili's in 2026. I'll say we ordered actually
Southwest egg rolls and
fajitas. So, but we ordered the sweet alcoholic beverage.
Peachy margarita.
We actually only wanted one. We ended up having two brought to the table. Plus we ordered whiskey and Coke, Makers and Coke, which obviously Makers taste great. But I'll say this, the fajitas came with all the accoutrement with the cheese and the guacamole and the pico. And it came with charro beans, which were cold and not that flavorful. Tastes like it came out of a can. And the rice tasted like a knockoff version of the Mexican rice tastes like a knockoff version of, what'd you say, rice-a-roni? Mm-hmm. Like it just kind of lacked flavor. The rice lacked flavor, but it wasn't hard. It was well cooked, yeah. But it wasn't that spectacular. The fajitas, on the other hand, came out sizzling. The presentation was great. The meat had a great taste. The meat had really good taste. Mm-hmm. Good seasoning on the meat. So the fajitas were a win. We split those between the two of us and still had more to take home. That tells you something because we're taking it home. We left the rice, we left the beans, we left all the rest of the stuff. Yeah. But my personal opinion, I don't know about you, but my personal opinion is Chili's is still a winner in 2026. Yeah. The menu is huge. Mm-hmm. Sometimes I feel like it's a little too big, but Chili's is still a winner in my book in 2026. I think you should go for yourself and find out. If you've never been to Chili's, it's definitely worth the trip. It's a great weekend spot. It's a great after-hour spot because they close at midnight. Yeah. And this place is busy. People are still rolling in here right now. We're going to drop the location for this particular Chili's if you're in the area. Our server, Antoinette, was fantastic. Yes. She did a great job, so shout out to Antoinette. And anything else to add?
No, it was good.
It was good.
Oh, try the the pan chocolate chip and ice cream. I'm not sure what the official name is, but we didn't try it this time. But every time before I've had it, it is so good. Yep.
Good stuff. Mm-hmm. All right, guys. So anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.